Okay, welcome back again. Crikey, this build's taken a fair whack. Sorry about the video. Okay, so the Sikaflex is just starting to set. It's been held up in the air just to create tension on the inside. And these ones, decided to put these ones off these safety lines just so the Sikaflex sets in a more of an upwards orientation. So when I place the sail kit on, I'm not flexing the Sikaflex overly around this very fine hole I put in. Okay, which brings me to the next phase. Will be the fair leads here and the opposite side, the front securer, and finally for this install, we've only got two items to go: is the cam cleats and the fair leads. So I've decided to make my own Kevlar sheet. So what you're seeing is polyester resin. I sandwiched it between two lamination sheets for photocopying, etc., etc. And what I've done is I placed the first sheet down. I don't use any separating medium. I placed the epoxy down, polyester resin down first. And then the first layer of Kevlar, I wet it through. The second layer of Kevlar, wet it through. Third layer of Kevlar, I put right over the top of two small discs to end up with that. I put a fine line on. I probably didn't need to do that in hindsight. But anyway, see how we go. This is just the first go at it. And so I've got 3 layers of polyester, of Kevlar, and 5 or 6 layers of polyester. And then just sandwiched it together with the laminate sheet and let it cure for 3 to 4 hours. And right now I've got very, 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 very strong Kevlar sheet. So I'm really happy with that. Super happy. It turned out much better than I thought. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the drill bit out of the hole saw jig, and I'm going to hole saw this on the drill press in the corner, and I'm going to see if I can get a rather nice trimmed circle, and then I'll polyester resin the edges for a nicer finish, and then I'll epoxy these onto the inside of the gunnels as a reinforcement for my jam and cam cleats for my sailing kit. It'll be a shear load, not a pull load. So the shear load is going laterally across this Kevlar, so it'll be perfect. I just want a little bit more extra oomph. So I'm going to epoxy this to the kayak. I'm going to just prep the kayak a little bit, and then I'll install the jam and the cam cleat. So I'll take you that far and see what I get. All right. See you later. All right, ciao.